I like the haze. Hey! Hey! Here we go. Yeah. I got a feeling that somebody needs to hear this song. That's right. So turn it up. Turn it up. Yeah, just turn it up. Turn it up.
I remember them days when my mama would tell me, said you're too busy running round, you need to calm down, always looking for love. She told me love ain't easy, baby, believe me. It could break your heart, make you fall apart, so you gotta be careful. There's no need to rush it, but now I'm getting older, and each winter's getting colder now. Hope to find you somehow, but now I patiently wait for you to come my way, and I won't hesitate when you make your way right to my heart. So now I patiently wait.
There's been so many mistakes that I know that I made in the past. Love so deep that I thought it would last, but you went away and you ain't looking back, so I'm left with the pain of a heart made of glass. That I can ask all day to myself that I'm so okay to get past the regret and change, cause my heart still beats to the pace of a faith that believes that the best of my life is still on the horizon, so blindingly real. If I hold close to his beautiful will, then I find what I'm looking for. Chill with the girl that was made for me, so dang fly, gotta hide her wings. I'll just wait till the day we meet, but for now I'll sing that I'll patiently wait
for you to come my way, and I won't hesitate when you make your way right to my heart. For now I patiently wait for that one sweet day when you take me away with you, and our fairy tale will start. So now I patiently wait.
1, 2, 3, 4. The clock ticks and I'm still waiting for ya, waiting for ya. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm counting down the days until I know ya, until I know ya. 1, 2, 3, 4. The clock ticks and I'm still waiting for ya, waiting for ya. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm counting down the days until I know ya.
Yeah, let me hear the songbird sing. I wonder what song she'll sing. Would it be your Frank Sinatra hit, or maybe a tune by Nat King Cole? My story's a tad difficult. I'll be the one who would bold, up to running game like the Colts. I would hurt the most, but it's been a long time coming. Switch the playlist, my soundtrack's humming. A new theme song featuring yours truly. This is what we call a sing-along.
So I pay